Hi here, foodies. Welcome back to our channel Food Facts for you. Today, we've got a hot topic for you: pineapple on pizza. Is it a match made in heaven or a culinary crime? We will dive deep into the history, its origins, and why it stirs up such heated debates, especially among the Italian crowd. So grab a slice, get comfy, and let's get into it. All right, let's dig into the intriguing origin story of pineapple on pizza. The credit for this flavor combination goes back to the 1960s, a time when culinary experimentation was taking off. It all started in Canada, specifically in Ontario, at a humble little restaurant. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Picture this. A Canadian named Sam Panopoulos, along with his brother, decided to boldly venture into uncharted pizza territory. They took a standard pizza and, with a hint of culinary audacity, tossed some canned pineapple onto it. And just like that, without much fanfare, the Hawaiian pizza was born. Now, Sam Panopoulos, he wasn't an Italian pizza purist, and that's why he wasn't afraid to experiment. The sweet, juicy pineapple with the salty ham and the cheese created a unique flavor combination that some folks fell in love with. But here's where the controversy takes center stage. When it comes to pizza, Italians are the true guardians of tradition, and they take their pizza very, very seriously. So, when the sweet, tropical pineapple crashed the pizza party, it was like adding a sour note to their culinary symphony. For many Italians, it's not just an issue of personal taste. They consider it an outright abomination to their revered culinary heritage. Now, let's peel back the layers and understand why this clash of flavors stirred up such a passionate backlash. We have got some strong opinions here. Italian pizza, with its thin crust and traditional toppings, is all about simplicity and the perfect balance of flavors. Pineapple, for them, is just an intrusion on their pizza paradise. But let's dive deeper and ask, is there any scientific basis to support this contentious clash of flavors? Well, food experts have different perspectives, and some argue that the combination of sweet and savory can be a culinary match made in heaven. Here's the delicious science behind it. Pineapple brings a delightful blend of acidity and sweetness to the table, while the savory ham adds a punch of saltiness. When these elements come together on a pizza, it's like a flavor party in your mouth, where each ingredient adds a unique note to the symphony of tastes. Despite all the negativity, pineapple on pizza has a global fan base. It's not just North America. It is loved in places like Australia, Sweden, and even the UK. And, of course, it's a late-night classic for many college students. Different strokes for different folks, right? So, where is the future of pineapple pizza headed? Well, it is not going away anytime soon. It has become a symbol of culinary rebellion, and many pizza joints have it on their menus. You can even customize your pizza any way you like, so the debate rages on. So, there you have it, the juicy details behind the pineapple on pizza controversy. Whether you love it or loathe it, one thing is for sure, it sparked endless conversations and brought people from all over the world together in a delicious debate. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know your stance on pineapple pizza. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe for more food adventures. Thanks for joining Food Facts for you today. And remember, there are no rules when it comes to exploring the world of flavors. Bye.